guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to say thank you in German. There are so many ways to say thank you depending on the situation, and let's just check them out. Let's go. First one is danke. Danke means thank you or thanks. If you want to say thanks a lot or thank you very much, then you can say vielen Dank. Viel means many and it also means many thanks. Another way to say it is danke schön. Danke schön. Here you are expressing more thankfulness. Schön is an adjective and it means beautiful, but don't literally translate it like thanks beautiful. Herzlichen Dank means much obliged. Danke sehr means thank you very much. Sehr means very. If you want to say thanks a million or thanks a ton, then you can say danke vielmals or 1000 Dank. Vielmals means many times. Ich bin dir dankbar. I am thankful to you, but this is an informal way of saying. Dir is dative form of du, which means informal you. Similarly, ich bin Ihnen dankbar means I am thankful to you, but it is more formal and polite. Because Ihnen is dative form of Sie, which means formal you. Ich danke dir means I thank you, but informally. It just sounds more elegant than simple danke. Ich danke Ihnen means I thank you, but formally. Zum Beispiel, ich danke Ihnen für Ihre Hilfe. I thank you for your help. Danke, sehr aufmerksam. Thank you, that's very kind of you. For an example, your car is broken somewhere in the middle of a highway and somebody rides you back home safely, then this is how you will say. Danke gleichfalls. Thank you, same to you. If someone says frohe Feiertage means happy holidays, then this is how you would reply. Danke im Voraus means thank you in advance, or vielen Dank im Voraus means many thanks or thanks a lot in advance. This was about how you say thank you. Now what if somebody else says thank you to you? How would you reply? Let's learn that. Bitte. Bitte means you're welcome. Bitte schön means you're very welcome. Bitte also means please. Kein Problem means no problem, no worries. Nicht zu danken, nothing to thank for or no need to thank. Gerne or gern geschehen, my pleasure or done gladly. So guys, that's all for today. If you find this video informative, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Dankeschön, bis bald.